I think Amir is one of the actors that everybody looks up to and wants to be like because, first of all, he's a wonderful actor and he's extremely passionate about his work. He's very particular, very punctual, very professional, which is a rarity in actors of today's day and age. So I think he's somebody that everybody looks up to.
Which film do you think of when you think of Amir?
So many. Dil hai ki manta nahi, Qayamat se Qayamat tak, Lagan. So many films. A lot of them. Yeah.
Do you like to see him as a romantic hero, as in Qiyamat Se Qiyamat Tak or Dil, or do you like to see him in comedy roles like in Ishq, or you like to see him in Lagan or Gulam?
I think he's one actor who can do anything. I loved him in Gulam, I loved him in Rangila. At the same time, I loved him in Dil and Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak. Hum Hai Rahi Pyar Ke was another total, different thing that he did. Lagan was absolutely different. So I mean, he's one actor who can play any character, which is what I think every actor should aim to be.
He has played a lot of films, a lot of roles, with opposite a lot of roles. But which one do you think is suited best opposite?
I think Juhi Chawla suited Amir Khan the best. I think they have a fabulous pair.
Which film do you think of?
Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak, Hum Hai Rahi Pyar Ke, Ishq,